Chaos erupts on the 4th of July in Glocester, Rhode Island, as police rush to break up a massive neighborhood brawl.
Where is it?
Fireworks. Fire over there. I go put it out.
Where is it? Right there?
See it? Right at the water.
Yeah.
The boat. It's a little on fire. Oh,
You involved in this, or?
Excuse me, sir. I was literally just coming to pick her up, and he took my keys. They were just all in a rush. Like, I
Okay,
literally
well,
just
we
walked
gotta
in.
figure out what's going on, so.
Okay. Thank you. All I know is I got punched in my mouth for no reason.
Who did you get punched by?
I don't know. There was 50 different people there. I got punched.
So, who are the groups? Is it like one house?
where your sergeant, lieutenant are yet?
Not yet.
No, I'm gonna be
12
honest.
to 5.
I barely know like anyone here. I just came in because they said it was fireworks and it's the 4th of July, and I just wanted to
Multiple agencies swarm the neighborhood, zeroing in on one house at the center of the chaos.
Yeah, why are you approaching us? Get off the deck.
Back up, back up.
Get off the deck!
Back up.
All right, sir. Any place for me?
No, but he just sent a gun in my face twice. We're trying to get everybody inside.
I ain't calling.
This guy rolled up
you
his car.
guys.
Sit on the rock. Sit down.
I just took everybody's keys out.
You, did I already ask you to go to the wall?
I'm sorry, you did.
Go to the wall.
I don't understand why you guys are being so. I didn't even do nothing wrong.
Ma'am, we're trying to figure it out right now. So go back to your car. Go back
With
to your
no response at the front door, officers force their way in through another entry.
Well, you can't come in. Who are you? I ain't doing nothing wrong.
Yeah, damn. Come sit on the couch. Go sit on the couch.
What's going on?
Hello.
What are you doing, man? Who let you in here?
Retail.
What? For what?
Somebody slammed the door in our face.
Okay, so do you have a search warrant to be here?
Sir, she's having a panic attack. She might need a rescue.
Oh, that's
Rescue team.
You don't even know what's going on.
yeah. Well, I know. I didn't know she had a panic attack.
Because you got 79 underage kids running around the house.
They came in the house right now.
Guys, go sit. Go sit.
Inside, officers uncover a crowd of teenagers and a few adults, including 48-year-old Bryan Borzell and 37-year-old Rachel Hernandez, now accused of supplying alcohol to minors.
You guys are go out of here. This is illegal. All right, thank you.
Thank you. You the homeowner?
Yeah.
All right?
Fantastic.
All right, great. We gotta get you in.
downstairs.
I want to make sure. I see a bunch of alcohol with underage kids. You know the social host law?
No, hold on.
You know what that
There's no. This is my area. Nobody's been into here till right now. Till you guys showed up.
Oh, well, they're in the house now.
All right. So what?
Come downstairs.
Nope. For what?
Because we need to talk to you downstairs.
Yeah, I'm not answering any
I want to make
questions.
sure she don't even.
All right? I have nothing to say. Yeah, we gotta make sure.
Open the door.
Yo, no, you guys gotta open the door for a second. We gotta know. If she's alright.
You back up. Don't sit down.
You guys see it?
We're gonna call for a fight. People in the front yard.
In the front yard of this house.
Bullshit.
Ask your neighbors. Ask your neighbors.
Just watch it.
Ask the neighbors.
Okay, and what did they say?
There's a fight in your front yard. 20 people.
Not in my front.
Give us space. Okay?
Okay, I just want to make sure you're all right.
Go find another bathroom. This one's occupied.
All right, everybody downstairs.
Who's that? Who's that right there?
I don't know.
We got scared.
Everybody downstairs. Kids are.
Jenny, come on.
Hello, I'm here. You want to see
I have your bag.
You're highly intoxicated.
Downstairs.
Okay,
Sorry.
What's the problem? She's super intoxicated. She's not 21. How old are you? 16?
17.
17, sorry. Are you talking to me? You got problems? I think all you guys have problems.
And nobody had any rights to that. Sit down.
Everybody sit down.
Sit down. You.
Sit down.
Hold on, man. Hold on. I'm trying to open it. Stop.
Is everybody from Rhode Island?
Yes.
Is anybody 21? Who's been drinking? Because we got a PVT in the car and you're going to get tested anyhow. So cooperation with me goes a long way.
It's in the thermos.
Alright, the last thing I want to do
No, it's
right
in the
now is go
thermos.
knock down someone's door because you guys
Anything in the
got a
bag or
car
something?
and someone wrapped it around the tree. And I got to tell your parents that you're seriously injured or possibly dead. So that's my main concern right now. Alright? Like this individual who can barely stand, who's 16. Alright, so why don't we,
Listen, sit in your groups that you came with, and one person start making a phone call to get a ride out of here. Sit. Don't all sit in one mass. Sit with your group. Okay, who's trying to arrange the ride?
I'm trying to get there.
Okay, how old are you? Gonna speak up.
I'm 15.
Okay, you're gonna throw up?
No. Yep.
Yes?
Maybe so.
Okay, why don't you go to a sink or a toilet or something?
A bathroom upstairs and a bathroom
Toilet
downstairs.
upstairs.
Thank you, sir.
Yep. Find a bucket or something.
There's no sink.
Of course there is.
that gentleman upstairs. Did we get his name in?
Not yet. Do you want me to get arrested for the girl in the red shirt? There's one girl probably like ready to throw up over there, and then there's this one.
Yeah, might as well.
Medics treat two girls for severe intoxication, while officers arrange safe rides for the teens. But in the middle of it all, one decides to bolt on his own.
Yep. And your buddy's not coming.
He's like across the street. I'm
Okay, great. Stand with your feet together, hands down by your side like this.
consensus. You call my
Then
dad.
you're not driving. You're not driving, dude.
I'll call my dad.
Go for it. Go back in the house then.
I'll call my
You know,
dad.
play stupid games, dude. This way.
I'm not doing it.
Yeah, I want to see if you're able to drive.
I'm perfectly fine, dude.
Right. If you fail the test, you're not driving. What are you talking about, dude? I'm trying to get you out of here. No, you don't. What's up?
No entry.
Really?
Why are you walking in the building?
Come on. In the house.
I'm listening to this.
Yep, listen to me.
They don't live here. They don't.
That's fine. They're with us right now.
I'm sorry, dude. I
Yep.
have to listen to him.
Yep, go upstairs.
I'm gonna call my dad, alright?
Yep, call your dad. That would have made sense the first time.
Meanwhile, upstairs, officers confront the adults for their side of the story.
No questions at all.
You don't want to answer questions?
Why would I?
Do you live in this house? Do you own the house?
Sounds like a question to me, bro.
So it's a simple answer.
No problem? Then sit down. Get on the couch and sit down. Sit on the couch. Sit on the couch. Sit on the couch. Sit down.
And nothing was out of control until like nothing. Asked any of the neighbors here. Nothing was out of control until like 10 minutes before you guys got here. Then somebody came out and started yelling, "Everybody get the f*** out of here!" Because they were in front of that house down there. And then everybody started scattering. We all started getting out there. All the adults, clear the street. And then you guys started coming up and they started getting their cars and scattering. But we were trying to do that before and we kept like breaking all the groups of kids up. But then they just wouldn't leave. They were just like hanging out their cards and arguing and this and that.
All right, well, who invited all these kids here?
I don't know. Not me.
So just a bunch of random strangers are in here.
I have no idea. I didn't invite them. That's all.
But it's okay for you to just let them in?
They weren't in. They were not in here.
Inside.
Okay, I have cameras that show they weren't in here all day. So you can say whatever you want, but I have cameras that they weren't in. This house is off limits. Nobody's allowed in it all day. So that's it. There's like my son and a tight group of his friends, and that's it that were in the house. The rest of the kids were all outside, random people showing up, people in the streets. It's been like this all day.
They're in your house. They're in your house, and they're underage, and they're drunk. So,
well, what do you tell me?
you go figure it out for yourself.
I didn't contribute to anything that was going on there. Nobody's been hurt there. It got loud. They got out of control. Everybody went home with that incident. It's 4th of July, guys.
Rachel and Bryan are arrested for supplying alcohol to minors and breaking Rhode Island's social host law. A third arrest follows. 18-year-old Alexander Borzell, accused of kicking an officer.
My lawyer says you guys gotta leave.
Nah.
Okay, he's gonna pursue.
Okay. That's cool.
You Peter Hopkins.
That's awesome.
They're already in the house. They came in an unlocked door somewhere. Non-invited.
From your
Tell them to leave.
Yep. Can you guys leave, please? They're ignoring me. Good. Yeah.
What do you think? Oh.
I don't know. It was loud. I would expect somebody to call. It was loud.
Every house on the street, I think, is out right now.
Yeah, dude, it was, I'm not gonna lie, it was magical. I thought it was Gillette Stadium.
Oh, yeah, no, it was wild. But it's like that every year here. Have you ever?
Nah, I haven't been over this
Oh,
way.
yeah. Crazy every 4th of July.
Dude, this house is sick.
They light off crazy fireworks on the lake. So
oh, yeah. How far is the lake from here?
It's all, I own the entire lake. I own 43 acres here, including the entire lake. Yeah, this house.
Dude, this house is...
Yeah, it's a fun spot. But you know, a lot of people like it, so I guess they hear parties online.
Well, those kids across the street in the white truck.
Which one? I never seen.
Yeah, exactly.
Right.
So I'm sitting there. I was like, I walked up.
Where are they from?
I don't know. I was like, you guys involved in this? They're like, no, we just showed up for the party. I was like, well, who lives here? He goes, I don't know. We got a group text. Hey, party at this address. So we just show up.
Facebook or I don't know, Facebook. They don't even use Facebook, kids. So they posted it somewhere, and then all these random people.
So what? You were just here with your buddies, or?
Well, I have my friends, and my son had a small group of friends here, so I'm sure one of them posted it.
Yeah.
We're not posting that to come, you know. So they're like probably at 4th of July party, the lakes, you know. Everybody knows.
Just got a little out of control.
Yeah, so I guess they just got it. But a lot of, like I said, the street was full of them, my property. When we were out here watching fireworks, there was nobody on the lawn. And there was like a group of kids in the picnic area, which is where everybody hangs out. Usually there's like picnic tables there, and it didn't look out of control. The street is full. Alex, you want to clear all the rest of the kids up from up here? I want to make sure there's no associations with me and alcohol. This is only for alcohol.
While police continue trying to ensure the crowd disperses safely, a few lingering teens decide they have a few questions for one officer.
Is it highlight of your night? Are these one of the better nights when you get to like shut down a party? Wait, can I go first?
Yeah, you can go.
Wait, can I? Okay. Do you have a family? I'm gonna drink this. You don't? No, you're young? I asked the question first.
Yeah, no.
How old are you?
30.
Oh, really? Well, you could start soon. Nah, he looks 25. You have a girlfriend or wife? Yes.
I'm not gonna get into my personal.
Have you ever? Yeah, you're right. I shouldn't tell you about my personal. Are these like your better days on the job when you get? Wait. I've always wanted to ask this. What's your badge number? Yeah, what's your badge number? 2, 4, 8 times 12. Have you ever shot someone? That's it. Just 12.
Just 12. Yeah.
Wait, guys, can you tase me real quick? Wait, I really have a real question. You have to go to college. All right, we're all running up on it. No, you have to. No, but you do have to go through training.
They used to require degrees, but now they don't because no one wants to be a cop anymore.
I did. Did you do the test where they're like taser, and they taser you? No, that's for the army. No,
tase, pepper spray.
You have to get tase and pepper spray to hold on you. Can I hold your gun? Where's water? No. Why would he let you do that?
You guys gotta stay here.
Wait, so what do you have on you right now? Like, what do you have on you? A taser, a walkie-talkie, a flashlight.
Taser, gun, pepper spray, handcuffs, extra.
I won't touch it. Wait, is this a body cam? Is it on?
Yeah.
Can I wave to it?
On this entire time.
Can you post this on TikTok?
No, don't post that. Matter of fact, if that's recording me, cut my face out.
Wait, do I look good?
I mean, don't bore anyone who's under 18.
Have you ever shot anyone? Wait.
No.
Oh, really? But you...
Have you ever had to chase down a juvenile?
Have you ever been...
Chase? From the high school, maybe.
Have you ever been a detective?
I did not have a mandate. You might have to ask whoever lives here.
Have you ever been a detective? Oh, my stepdad was a detective. Now he's a cop.
You ever get hot?
A little bit.
Yes. Come on, y'all should see them.
I'm hot right now.
No, I'm hot right now.
And I look like a hot pocket, and I'm hot as shit.
Hey, how do you...
I can see that.
I look like a thought pocket.
Nice words, and he definitely hears cuss words on the daily.
Can I please play a song that you can't get offended by it?
I don't care.
Rock cuties, cute and on duty. Wait, no.
I know that song. I know. You don't have to play it.
I don't have to play it, but it's
You do not have to. I know exactly.
Can I play it? Come on, it'll
I
it'll
prefer
boost the mood.
not to, so I don't have to do it.
Alright, no. You prefer not to? I know. You're Yeah, no, I'm singing for my stepdad. Cops cute and on duty. Is that a baton in your pocket, or are you just happy to see me? Cop cuties, cute and on duty. I love that. So Brian.
Yeah.
Alright, Joe, why are you mad nonchalant?
Go right now.
What happens if I try to fight you? Hey,
I know.
wait.
Oh, no.
Wait, are you listening? Her ex-boyfriend posted a photo of me on my birthday, and it said I'm in the super preschool, and on my birthday, FBI came to my house and cops right at my front door, and they were like, why would you post that? I was so scared, ruined my whole birthday.
Anyway, I swear it was so calm. Like, it wasn't.
Stop talking to the police.
This is Officer Martin. This is my uncle.
Okay, that's what he wants you to do. If you want to talk to somebody, talk to me.
No, I'm good. I'm okay.
You were already at the party. You don't even know anything else.
Exactly.
I'm okay, thank you. Happy 4th of July. America.
Yeah. So if you want to talk to somebody, talk to me.
I'm so happy in my mom.
Back downstairs, officers move the last teens out safely and seize another chance to question the remaining adults.
Well, you want to see the fireworks?
Yeah, a couple more, then we're out.
Fireworks. See? That's cool. I mean, there's a term for that. Guess what it is? In traffic.
Don't
Across 40. That's illegal. You guys can't do that. Well, there's that, you know?
I missed that. I missed that day at the academy.
Okay, sorry, I'm smart. You know?
I was just gonna say that. Took words out of my mouth.
Read the book. If you look at his chest, he's more than just...
They say everybody like it.
Look at my chest.
Everybody like it.
I hate Jews, bro. I love Jews. Get a few cool songs, right?
What?
I just lost my dog. I just buried my dog.
I'm just trying to take this all in, guys. That's the work for me, dude. You know? Hey, you know what? It's a wild one.
That's a flash. That's gonna flashy walk.
Don't show him anything. Don't.
$35
He's
on
lying.
Amazon. I know, matching set, $35 on Amazon.
When things got a little crazy, I spotted this person.
He just asked you the same thing.
I got my own crew.
$35.
Hey, I mean, they're flashy.
Hey, my buddy just gave me this and it's Shark Week.
Do not talk to the motherfucking cops, yo. You see his shirt?
I thought Shark Week was like end of August.
2 seconds to walk outside.
Look at you see. Baby, right? Answer your other question.
Court records show Bryan, Rachel, and Alexander all pleaded not guilty. Rachel, already on probation for a DUI with a child in the car, was held without bail. All three are due back in court this fall.